क्या आप जानते हैं वर्ल्ड का सबसे लंबा रिवर क्रूज कहाँ है? हमारे इंडिया में। ऑन द 13 जनवरी प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी वाराणसी से डिब्रूगढ़ को कनेक्ट करती एक ऐतिहासिक रिवर क्रूज सर्विस को फ्लैग ऑफ करेंगे। एक ऐसी सर्विस जो 50 दिन में 27 रिवर सिस्टम्स के थ्रू 4000 किलोमीटर का लंबा सफर तय करेगी। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अ न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ द ग्रेट इंडियन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट। और आज हम बात करेंगे वाराणसी टू डिब्रूगढ़ रिवर क्रूज प्रोजेक्ट की। It will indeed be a memorable day for Indians as the world's longest river cruise service will commence in India. Starting from Varanasi, the Ganga Vilas cruise will reach Patna on the 8th day. From there, it will reach Kolkata on the 20th day. After a day's halt, it will again set sail for Bangladesh, where it will spend 15 days before entering India again and reaching Dibrugarh. During the course, the recreational cruise will travel along 27 river systems in India, including the Ganga, Bhagirathi, Hooghly, Brahmaputra and West Coast Canal. आइए जानते हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट की कुछ खास बातें। The cruise is expected to run on a PPP model. The Inland Waterways Authority of India has signed an MOU with Antara Luxury River Cruises and JM Baxi River Cruises for this. In its course of journey, the cruise will cover over 50 tourist sites, including World Heritage sites like the iconic Varanasi Ganga Aarti, Kaziranga National Park, and the Sundarbans Delta. The cruise will cover about 1,100 kilometers in Bangladesh under the newly developed India-Bangladesh Protocol route. Two floating jetties are constructed in Tinsukia district and Bogibeel in Dibrugarh district over the river Brahmaputra. The development of coastal and river shipping, including cruise services, is one of the top priorities of India. India aims to increase cruise passenger traffic from 0.4 million to 4 million and leverage the economic potential of cruise tourism from 110 billion to 5.5 billion in the coming years. The government has taken on the task of developing 100 national waterways with the goal of seeing world-class cruise ships operating on these waterways in addition to cargo movement.